Hey guys, I'm Abby with Motor City Nerds, and I don't think I've been this excited to do an unboxing since I got the Avatar collection that ColourPop did. And one thing I will say about ColourPop, and I always say this, I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was. ColourPop, I'm available. But, also, the reason I haven't been putting out as much content is because I mistakenly thought that in good faith my job was doing right by me. But they're not, and it's hell on earth, and it's the worst. But I'm really excited for this. And I just so haven't, same thing with the Avatar one, I just got really lucky. Why do I sign up for an email thing if I'm not going to get the emails for things that I want, you know? We have, and this time I don't have a, this is actually my uncle who passed away, not to bring the mood down, but I normally did my unboxing videos with a giant, whatchamacallit? It was like a freaking, it was like a machete. If you go and look at my Darth Vader opening in my palette review, I'm like, which is a great palette, that Darth Vader one is great. Yeah, I used, and I didn't think it was strange until later on when I watched the video back and edited it. I was like, wow, I'm really using like a giant Bowie knife. But we got the Harry Potter set, guys. I think there was like a difference between the PR set and the regular set. Maybe this is the difference. We're finding out together. You guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? And it's got Hogwarts letters and snitches all over it. Oh my god. This is really cool. Dude. This is so cool. Oh my, this might be the coolest one they've ever done, and I got, sorry if the light is, it says meet me at platform 9 3/4. We're gonna start. Oh my god. This, I thought the Avatar one was cool. This is out of this world cool. Oh my god. Should I just take photos of everything and show you guys? These ones are the eyeliners, and these are all the houses. And I'll put photos of everything up. Look, it has the animal mascot. Oh my god, and it has their words in it? Oh my god, so it has like the mascot and then all this cute little Harry Potter. Oh my god, this one has the cup, the sword, the locket, and the diadem. Oh, that's so cool. And I really love the coloring of this Hufflepuff one. I'm a Slytherin, obviously. Oh no, it doesn't say their words, it says their attributes. So on Hufflepuffs it says dedication, patience, loyalty, bravery, courage, and determination for Gryffindor. Ambition, pride, and cunning for Slytherin. Learning, wit, and wisdom. I don't know, those are all kind of, I don't know. Those might be too similar for my liking over in Ravenclaw. I love this. I love it so much. These are the lipsticks. And they're cute little characters. I love the Luna Lovegood one. But then, okay, so we have, yeah, R. Weasley, L. Lovegood, it's a lip gloss, lipstick. H. Granger, this is a lipstick. And H. Potter is a lipstick. I think the only one that's a lip gloss is Luna Lovegood. Oh, but they all, oh my god, I cannot believe how detailed this is. There's something different on each, I'll move that. There's something different on each package. And oh my god, there's a quote on the side of all of them. So Harry says, I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. Ron says, swish. Oh, never mind. These are the titles of the lipsticks. I'm stupid. So that one's, I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. Do you want to know what? Let's check this out. Because I think I'm going to wear this collection. I might keep a couple things intact, but even the inside is cool. Oh. Very cool, very nice. I want to see what, so Swish and Flick. This is another lipstick. Oh, I like that one. Oh, it's super orange, like the Weasley hair. Get it. I got it. You're just as sane as I am. Oh my god. And now this one's a lip gloss. I am in love with this. I am absolutely in love with this. It's like shiny beautifulness. I love that. Now we got, oh, it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. And I like that Hermione has little cats on it. Like, people forget about Crookshanks. Oh, and she turns into one. Omari made, I was clipping up TikToks the other day of me and Omari arguing about Harry Potter. And he keeps saying he's not camera ready, but he makes a really good point. And I very rarely hear people come up with this take, but he goes, Harry saves himself in the first one. And I'm like, oh, it's pretty accurate. Okay, we got it. Oh, sorry, Voldy. Oh, I really like this one, too. I really like the lipsticks and the lip gloss. That's really cool. Okay, let's get on to the head wig. Look at how cool this is. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is highlighter with a beautiful head wig on it. Oh, I like that. And I love the Sailor Moon stuff. I have the whole I got the Sailor Moon collection. I use it all the time, but their whole even this is nice. This is like harder. And I love this blue color. Oh, I really like that. I really like that. Let's check this mirror out because there's something to be said for a good ass mirror. Oh, it's a zoomy in one. There's almost like a purple to it. But I really like this packaging. It's like magnetic. I like that a lot. Okay, Buckbeak, you're up next. I can't get, oh my god, this is so cute. This is more highlighter. Oh my god, Buckbeak. I love it. Let's look at Buckbeak. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh. I swear to god, I stand by this. If you watch, oh, this one's got like a bronze to it. I really like this. I like that. I like these a lot. I'm really excited to use these ones, but I stand by this, and if you watch my Half-Blood video, I think that Snape really, when Harry calls him a coward in the book, and, well, in the movie, when he has his little showdown with Snape after Dumbledore dies, oh god, Dobby gets his own, why doesn't Creature? Oh, it's cute, though. I think Snape would have killed him right there if Buckbeak wouldn't have stepped in, and they don't have that in the movie, it's in the book, but after he calls Snape a coward, he's like, Snape gets like crazy mad, and I really do think right then and there he almost, imagine being in love with somebody and not just that, they're the only person that ever showed you any type of friendship or anything, and then their kid looks just like the guy they got with that you hate. But I'm not saying that's okay, I'm just saying like I never thought about the way Harry looked and how when like every time Snape has to look at this kid it's like I hate James Potter, but I'm gonna look out because of Lily. But the Dobby one is really nice. I'm a Creature fan though, but all of this packaging is very cool. These are all highlighters. I really like the way this is magnetic, though. Oh, this one's got a real tone to it. I like that one. And it's not that I hate on Dobby whatsoever. It's just I think that Creature is more compelling. All right, guys. Let's get it. I really can't get over how cool this yellow is. Even though I don't know how much I'd wear yellow, but this Hufflepuff yellow is just, it's giving me a vibe of happiness that I really enjoy. And it's very yellow, that's for sure. Oh, look it, there's even the, oh, is this the title of it? Patience? I can't get over how cool this is. Oh, it's just a lip balm. It's called Patient. I think the title's Patience. But you get another little attribute on there. We got Slytherin. And we got Pride. These are just all lip balms. I really love it though. It's got all the symbols are all over them, so I'm not going to open up the next two, but I want to see the titles. And I like, this is so cool. Gryffindor's is courage. And Ravenclaw's wit. Oh, it continues. We have I think this was supposed to be on top, bud. Harry Potter ColourPop calling all witches, wizards, and muggles. Harry Potter collection. Discover the magic with our latest collection of spellbinding shades. Back to Hogwarts pressed powder palette. Graphic eyeliner. Oh yeah, this was obviously supposed to be. And then Super Shock highlighter. Fourth ray lip balm. Lux. Whoa, lip balm. Oh yeah, okay. I think that was just supposed to tell us things. Back to Hogwarts. Look it. So cool. I love this shade of blue. Oh my god. Oh, we got the symbols on the inside. I can't get over this. Oh, this is a cool palette. There's a few of these that, and now I love the names, of course, and I'm loving this inside, but we got Lumos, Floating Candles, Marauder's Map, Liquid Luck, Whomping Willow, Hufflepuff, Golden Snitch, Pumpkin Juice, Mandrake, Invisibility Cloak. Looks so cool. It's like golden red. Butterbeer, Gryffindor, Enchanted Keys, Patronus, Forbidden Forest, Ravenclaw, Gillyweed, Great Hall, Nimbus 2000, Slytherin looks awesome. Elder Wand looks even cooler. Hungarian Horntail too. Sorting Hat and Dementor. Dude, that Dementor, coming from a weirdo, it's so hard to find like a dark black matte, just black, that doesn't come off, like, I don't know how to explain it. And this might be it. If you are weird or whatever, goth or whatever, and you need a black, I'm telling you, if you don't want to buy this palette, you need to Google or like look up the equivalent to it on the site. Slytherin is such a cool green, but I always love. I'm really, honestly, Forbidden Forest looks like a rave of greatness. These are perfectly named for the like colors that I obviously, but like all the other palettes I've opened up on here, I'm like, oh, that's a cool fun name with a cool color, like that, whatever. But all of these are like perfectly named. And it's like the exact color you think of when you imagine these things. This is like perfectly done. I didn't know if I was going to use this or not, but I really think I'm going to. Oh, this is a very cool palette. This is a really nice set of like, I could use all of this for sure. And this is really awesome. And I love and I stand by this. I think that ColourPop has quality stuff for a good price. And when they do these cool collabs, it's fun. And there's all these little designs, like there's little footsteps. It looks like the Marauder's Map a little bit. Whose name is that? Oh, it says Quidditch Pitch. This is a ColourPop. I think this might have been the best collab you've done. And I'm excited to use this. But yeah, I'm happy with Motor City Nerds. And I don't know, my unboxing videos aren't like the only thing I do, and I do a bunch of other stuff, but I like makeup, and I think these are really fun. And yeah, the second I saw last minute this Harry Potter thing was coming, it was literally 11:50 at night, and it was coming out in 10 minutes, and I was like, should I just snatch it up now? And I did. And I still don't know. I'm assuming, does the PR thing mean it comes in this box and stuff, or I'm assuming everybody gets that, right? I didn't think, because there's some things I have put away, like my Avatar one, I don't use everything, like I have the Appa Compact, I just kept that packaged and put it away. There's certain things that I'm like, oh, I don't know. But all of these, I feel like, not only would I genuinely use them, and this was really well done. Like, not that the other ones weren't, but these are like I said, the names, the shades, everything is perfectly done. When it comes to the theming of it, that's what I mean. I'm by no means a makeup guru. I'm a movie person and a book person and a nerd, but I'm like, I enjoy my makeup, and this was this is a really cool set, and I think that I think this is fun. I do, and I rarely am like, oh, I need to use that. I need to use that. I need to use that. When it's a whole collection like that, and this one, I'm like, no, I really could use almost all of this and on regularly. But I'm Abby with Motor City Nerds. Like, share, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos. Yeah. Maybe I'll do like a makeup thing with these, but, oh, I left one out. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna, I have 2 more videos to edit, and yeah, if you were thinking about getting this set, this is sick. This is really cool. I feel like my hair is giving off Ned Stark vibes.